What is Gucci? I hope you're feeling blessed, grateful, excited, and motivated about your life. My name is Jonathan Temez. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got an Asrv unboxing. I got 6 pieces. I'm gonna go over with you, give you a nice little lookbook on what I required. I'm very excited about these items. I haven't really tried these shorts and this new fabric that they have called Tetra. The first item I'm going to start with is the cargo shorts. Like I said, Tetra fabric. This is a two-way system. The outer layer, nylon, waterproof, water resistant, so you can never go wrong. I'm down with that. And also an inside mesh fabric. This is antibacterial sweat wicking. So this right here will hold your odor in, hold the sweat in. And yeah, this new fabric that they came out with, can't complain. Definitely worth it. Asrv is always stepping up and always looking for new technology and new ways to take over the game and set the bar. So these are the 2 shorts, the black colorway. You got Asrv on the right cargo side, zipper pocket, the traditional zipper pocket on the right hand side, standard pocket on the left, and you got 2 back pockets as well. The normal 3M drawstrings. I got both the pairs. I had to get both of them. You know, I can't just rock with just one, so they're on sale for 68 bucks, so I got both of them as well. This is the brushed camel one. You got Asrv right here. You got a zipper pocket. Got your regular standard pocket, and you got 2 back pockets. So these are one of my favorite shorts. I always love camel cargo shorts, although I was growing up. And I'm glad Asrv came out with some cargo shorts. And right here, we got the quarter zip. So far, I'm loving it. I'm loving the material. The pricing for all these items are very expensive. They're always in 58 will be the lowest usually for an item they have, and it's usually a shirt or a tank top, and everything is always higher or above that. This right here, for example, is a $158 jacket, but I got it for $98. Like I said, on sale in the surplus section, so you know how to take advantage of it. You got that quarter zip right here, boom, half zip, can't go wrong. There's no pockets on this, so this is strictly like for performance or something you just want to wear lightweight, put on something, boom, you're good to go. You got the Asrv trademark right here in the back. Then this lining right here all the way down is also 3M. So that's pretty cool. When it lights up and you get a nice little flash, it looks pretty dope. But this is my third performance quarter zip jacket I have. I have the white one, and I also have the all black that says Asrv, but that's with the silver plus fabric. Here's some clips of me wearing the items already. Here's the tank top, CC1 cotton Supima fabric. You got the Asrv Wings logo in the back, Asrv right here, numbers right here on the side. And right here we got the Mantra hoodie. This is my second one I got, but yeah, this is the clay colorway. This was my first Mantra hoodie. Right here you got words right here, nice little lettering. It says, "Perseverance shapes the mind and body." You got Asrv brand. Oversized hoodie. Covers the whole head, not too tight. And what I like most about this jacket as well, not only do you have a kangaroo pouch, but you also got a little dedicated pocket right here inside the kangaroo pouch. That's for your phone or any other things that you don't want to lose or that you need to keep tucked away and nice and secure, like keys, wallet, or a phone. So that's a nice little touch that Asrv is always being innovative and always coming up with new ways to hold your phone. So this is the Mantra hoodie, DSG right here. Nice little colorway. Here's some clips of me wearing it right here. So I also got the tee as well. Yeah, nice fit overall. Got Asrv in the back right here. Nice fit. I love the split seams right here. Always got to have a scoop bottom or a split seam. Then you got the DSG on the side. Overall, I won't be using this to work out. I'll be using this more likely to go out shirt. Some items I don't even use to work out in because they're too expensive and I like them too much. So it all depends on the item. I do wear them out or I wear them to the gym. But other than that, here's the fit. And this one right here is a 2017 drop. This is a gem right here. This one's forever gonna be in the collection. I will never get rid of this. This was my only clay shirt. So you know I had to cop that new clay collection. And I'm very excited that they came out with more clay colorway because this was the only one that I had. And I like to keep my sections and color coordinated. I got all my black Asrv, all my white Asrv, all my gray, all my green, all my burgundy. Now I got my clay. So this is the old school. This is part of the old school tagging right here. This is when they didn't start the DSG on the side. You got Asrv Advanced Sportswear in the back, technical sportswear. This came out in 3 colorways at the time, white, black, and clay. And I only got the clay one. But this right here will be forever in my collection. Nice little split seam. But this is a little different. But yeah, love this shirt. I'll forever keep this in my collection. This is a size large. A little stat check. I haven't talked about my stats. I'm 5'11", 6 feet. I fluctuate between 165 to 160. All my clothes vary in sizes. I have items small, large, extra large, medium. So it all depends on the items I have, on what size I get. They're always usually different. So right here, both shorts are size large. Both jackets are size medium. Shirts are size medium as well. Tank top size medium. I'll let you know the other items that I have. If they're different sizes, I'll let you know what size they are. But other than that, I'm not going too crazy on the reviews of what the fabric is, what it's about, what does it do. Yeah, stay tuned for more Asrv videos coming. I have a lot more Asrv clothes, like I said. This is just some of the new collection I have. So yeah, thank you for watching. Click that like button, subscribe, hit that notification button. Stay tuned for more videos.